In the second quarter of 2009, we saw the largest declines measured by Gartner in the server market at almost minus 30% in terms of shipments and in terms of revenues. Comparing that to the first quarter of 2009, the declines were slightly worse, although looking at the seasonal pattern, Q2 is back to where we expect it, in that it was slightly larger than the first quarter. Now that gives us a good basis in order to view the second half of 2009. And so if we look at that segment of 2009 and 2010, we can start to view the recovery phase of the server market. Although there are a lot of external factors in terms of economic growth, currency and exchange rates, and also budgets in IT organisations, where the first half of 2009 we've seen those budgets reduce, and we've also seen a freeze in spending within those budgets, specifically for servers. So it's going to take some time for these budgets firstly to unfreeze and to begin to spend again, but also the way in which customers are thinking about their IT infrastructure now, and certainly in the server part of that infrastructure, in how efficient the way customers are deploying their technology and also managing that technology. So technology such as x86 virtualization is becoming more and more accepted as a means to achieve efficiency. So any sort of growth that we would see in the server market won't be similar to the type of growth that we saw previously, sort of in 2007, 2008. We're going to see a much slower growth, although it will start to improve conditions. And so in 2010 we expect to see a 2% growth in terms of volumes. And that isn't to say that the server market is not an exciting market to be in. And two good examples of that is the entrance of Cisco into the server market, and also Oracle's planned acquisition of Sun Microsystems. So two very large organisations entering into what is a fairly consolidated market. Looks to be some exciting developments to come over the next couple of years.